accidents always spike during the summer months, and if you or a family member winds up in that unfortunate position, there are steps you can take to ease the burden a bit. Attorney Matt Kober is a personal injury attorney who works with accident patients, and he's here to help us navigate through the do's and don'ts to take after an accident. There are so many things to deal with when this happens, but let's start first with the foremost concern, which is your physical condition. Can any doctor treat you after a crash?
Certainly. I mean, doctors are doctors. They can treat you. However, some doctors are better than others. Obviously, if you are injured, I recommend going to an emergency room or seeing a general practitioner just to get that emergency treatment up front. However, there are doctors who specialize in auto accident injuries, and they're the ones who are going to know the right things to put in the reports, the right things to look for to help resolve those injuries that you get in the car accident to prevent long-term injury.
And how important is it to get to a doctor within a timely manner? I know a lot of times people will maybe be in a minor accident and they won't feel anything until the next morning or the next day.
Absolutely, it's important. I recommend going same day if possible.
Okay.
I mean, obviously, if you're seriously injured, go to the emergency room.
Of course.
But they are emergency doctors. They're there to treat emergency injuries. They're going to, see if you have any broken bones, and if you're bleeding. If not, they're just going to give you some medication to help you feel better, but that's not going to treat the underlying injury. So as soon as possible to get into a doctor who specializes in personal injuries is important.
And fair to say the phrase better safe than sorry typically applies in these cases. Legal matters are a huge headache after an accident. People want to make sure they take the right steps to get covered. So legally, can any attorney assist you after an auto accident? Yeah,
again, doctors are doctors, lawyers are lawyers. Any attorney can help you with that case. However, I'm not a tax attorney. Don't come to see me about your taxes because I won't be able to help you. As attorneys, we all have our own specialties, our own things, our own practice areas that we focus on, and so it's better to see an attorney who does focus on personal injury, who's been specially trained in that area.
How can people find a certified specialist?
Well, the Utah Whiplash Group was formed to bring together a group of doctors and attorneys who do focus on that, who have been specially trained in that area, who've taken additional courses, additional training, additional certifications to understand motor vehicle occupant injuries and are going to be able to address the issues that come up during an auto accident case. So any members of the Utah Whiplash Group have those additional trainings, and they can find us through our website.
Where are you located?
We are located throughout the entire state. So again, we're a consortium. There's many doctors, many attorneys across the whole state, anywhere from St. George to Logan and all across the Salt Lake Valley.
Great. Well, thank you so much. We'll send people to your website, whiplash-utah.com.
That is one of them. Also, utahwhiplash.com. And you can call our 800 number, 877-7-WHIPLASH.
Great. Matthew, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
A treat trend that makes every day a party. We'll explain next.